Banana bread and dollar bills, making cash, I get the chills. Pick it up, watch it rise. Stop barking dreams in my eyes. Welcome to Banana Bread Trades.
Welcome everyone to Banana Bread Trades. My name is Goose and welcome back to another episode of today's recap and tomorrow's trade plan. And it was a pretty awesome day today. Last night we talked about wanting a range between 21.11 and 19.831, those two untested POCs. And we didn't care which one got tested, but if we were testing one of those while also pressing against the Keltner channel, showing us that we were overextended, that it would be a great low risk, long or short opportunity. And that is exactly what we got today. We look here, came down and we wicked that 1831 level. We actually front ran it at first and I skipped this long. And then we came down and we actually wicked that 831. We wicked that untested POC while also pushing the Keltner channel. And that gave us a great opportunity to long, and I'll show that trade just here in a second. As far as taking profit goes, we took our core off pretty early. We took it off at the original balance area. And then I tried to hold along back up to 21.11. But actually, I was forced to close because I was long in my Apex account, of course. And if anyone has Apex, you know that today was an absolute nightmare of data issues. And actually, one of the times the data went down, all of my positions closed and everything was flat. And I had not actually touched any buttons whatsoever. So it was kind of a frustrating day as far as that goes. I'm a little bit disappointed with Apex. They've been handling that situation. Nonetheless, we still made money today. We had all of the appropriate risk and stops in place. And it all worked out. So that's pretty much what we got today. We got that one trade. Let me pull it up here. Here it is. So like I said, we were long in our Apex account. We got the wick of that untested POC at 831. That's where we got long. We longed 10 micro contracts, 10 MNQ. We took profit in the balance area. That was also where the POC was at the current time in the day. Also back in the middle of the Keltner channel, middle of the bands, just back to the middle of the total balance of this entire move, really. And then I tried to hold a runner towards the day, and at this point, the data had dropped, and like I said, I was wiped out of my position. I had nothing to do with it. I actually have it all on video, too. I'll upload that video tomorrow. It's late. I'm tired, so I'm not going to go through all the editing process. It's 10 o'clock my time right now, so I'm actually ready for bed. I caught the same long on my personal account on Tradeovate. I am starting a $1,500 Tradeovate account that I funded myself. We're going to work through this together. I'm going to post all these trades, the entire process, everything that I do on this account. I like Tradeovate just because of the trade report it gives, but I took the same long. I actually longed that first time that I said that I skipped the long on the with leverage on my personal account. I took it 1 MNQ there, 1 MNQ there, took profit at the balance. The same exact trade plan. I just wanted in a little early in case we front ran. And then, of course, I added in once we actually wicked that 832 level. And I'll go ahead and show you. We started at 1,500. Let's go ahead and pull up. This is why I like Tradeovate as far as showing this account report. So started off with 1,500, and starting off July with 1,500. We made $288 today, so now we're at $1,785. There's a little bit of commission in there. So that's where we're at right now. Great first trade to start off this account with. And like I said, I'm going to be posting absolutely everything I do in this account. We're going to keep it light leverage, try to just hit the A+ setups, and show you how you can grow an account. Small or blow an account. Who knows? We might blow this account too, but I'm going to try to just focus on the real A+ setups, light leverage, and see what we can do over the course of a couple months with this account. The goal is here is show you what it takes to get to that verified trader status. And it's really not going to be a lot. Like I said, we're up $280 already. It was just a 2 MNQ trade, a very light trade. You don't have to really hit a lot of trades at a lot of at a high rate to make really good money. So I'm gonna at least try to demonstrate how to do that here. Who knows how it goes, but nonetheless, I'm gonna be, showing everything that I do, and hopefully it turns out good. But nonetheless, that's all we had as far as trades today. And I'll upload that video that I took today. I streamed the whole entire trade that I took today. I'll upload that into the Discord later. But as for tonight, I'm going to go to bed. But as far as our trade plan for tomorrow, I really don't have one. We sold below today's POC already, so I could probably go ahead and change this right here to be filled. Do this real quick. But since this is already filled and it didn't hold, I kind of expected it to hold, and then that it would be a good long up to 2111 and we would refill that balance, but it did not hold, which is a little bit concerning. We are currently pushing the bottom of the Keltner channel. This might be a decent long opportunity if we can push a little bit farther down. But overall, being under today's POC, or at least yesterday, I guess, yesterday's POC, Monday's POC, being under Monday's POC isn't necessarily a great sign for longs. I would have much rather saw that hold and rotate up to 2111 and complete the range. However, it's not wanting to do that. It's going right back into the middle of the range. And if we look here, our current price at 19,972, it's actually, we are exactly at the POC of U contract. I mean, we are right in the middle of the range right now. So it's not necessarily just a great spot to be entering trades at. We want to wait till we get to some distribution to either sides of these. Right now, we're really just diddling the middle. If you look at all time frames outside of the 1 minute, we're pretty much right in the middle. Same thing with ES. We're just kind of out here in the middle of this range nowhere zone. So we want to see us push one way or the other, maybe fill out some structure, and then we can catch a trade. But as of right now, I really have no bias one way or the other. So that's all I have for right now. I don't really have a trade plan going into tomorrow. I think it's going to be we're going to wake up and see what structure has been made. And then once we see what kind of structure has been made and see if any of these levels have been taken out. I mean, I guess I could take out this one as well because it has also been filled. Once we wake up and see kind of what structure has been filled, what structure has been made, then maybe we'll have a clear idea. I'd really like to see that 2111 area taken out and just, like I said, complete that range. And then we can either get a nice continuation up into 4th of July weekend or, just continue ranging in this range as we have been for the last couple weeks, which I don't mind. It makes for some nice, easy scalp plays. But if we break out into a trendy market, that's okay with me too, because we'll be able to catch some longer term holds. So that's all I got for right now. Like I said, no real trade plan for tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. It's decent. Like I said, this is kind of setting up to be a decent little long setup right now. I was long from 75, ended up taking a break even on that. I didn't take the second long down here, which I'm thinking maybe I should have. But we'll see. Like I said, I'm tired. I'm going to bed, and we will see you guys tomorrow.